Welcome inside a modern factory, revealing how pure 24-karat gold begins.
As you can see on the spectrum analysis, the concentration of copper is consistently high across the sample.
Good, that aligns with the field data.
Industrial mills grind ore into fine powder, increasing surface exposure for extraction.
Electrowinning uses electric currents to plate pure gold onto cathodes, slowly, uniformly.
I've cross-referenced the composition data here on the certificate. Everything checks out.
Excellent. Let's move it to the conveyor.
The composition and weight are within tolerance.
The certificates match the batch number. We are clear for approval.
Cooling tunnels regulate temperature, ensuring consistent crystal structure formation throughout bars uniformly.
"40 bars logged and secured."
Confirmed. Received on manifest.
Control, confirm status of Sector Gamma. I am showing authorized personnel movement at 0400 hours.
All secure.
Our tamper-proof materials ensure safe global transportation for investors and banks worldwide. Secure.
Logistics coordinate shipments to banks, jewelers, and bullion markets efficiently worldwide daily.
Nothing is wasted, as byproducts are recycled responsibly, following environmental safety standards.
Air filtration captures fumes, protecting female scientists and surrounding diverse communities from harm always.
Every step balances efficiency, purity, security, and environmental responsibility inside modern refineries.
This is how raw ore becomes valuable 24-karat gold inside factories. Behind every bar lies science, precision, discipline, and trust built over decades. From earth to vault, gold travels a remarkable engineered journey through factories. Every gram tells a story of effort and innovation inside refineries worldwide.
Understanding this process reveals why pure gold holds immense value globally today.
As you can see, the cobot integration has stabilized the workflow perfectly.
Yes, the projections look excellent for this quarter.
Precision timing ensures consistency from first crush to final bar creation stages. Automation and human expertise combine for unmatched refining excellence levels worldwide today.
Check what is my plant.
Your environmental impact assessment for Q3 has some discrepancies.
Traceability guarantees ethical sourcing and responsible gold manufacturing from start to finish.
Adjusting dial to 4.5. Are the readings stable on your end?
Yes, stable and within tolerance. Finalizing the report now. Check the tolerances on page 3.
Reading confirmed. Looks good to go.
Energy systems optimize power usage, reducing costs and emissions across facilities globally.
The green energy metrics are exceeding expectations.
Yes, the sustainable approach has drastically improved efficiency across the board.
Look at the real-time data. We've significantly reduced energy consumption on the smelting line.
The new automated system is performing beyond expectations.
Innovation drives safer, cleaner, and more efficient gold production methods every year.
Each improvement strengthens trust between producers, buyers, and investors globally over time.
Each improvement strengthens trust between producers, buyers, and investors globally over time.
Refined gold supports economies, industries, and technological progress worldwide through reliable supply.
Pay close attention to the tolerances on the escapement. We cannot compromise on the quality, even with the accelerated schedule.
From mining to refining, coordination ensures seamless transformation across supply networks worldwide.
Look at the upward trend here. We've optimized the entire process.
The data analytics provided the insights we needed.
Training programs ensure skills evolve alongside technological advances within refining industries worldwide.
This is a safety drill. Move to the assembly point now. Listen for your name. Ahmed, Zara, all accounted for.
Every shift begins with checks, briefings, and clear objectives for production goals.
Precision defines success when producing the world's purest gold inside modern plants.
This process demands patience, expertise, and unwavering attention from start to finish.
Gold bars symbolize stability, wealth, and trust across generations worldwide.
Factories quietly uphold this legacy through disciplined production every single day globally.
The shine you see represents countless controlled industrial actions working together flawlessly.
Gold's purity depends on discipline maintained throughout production cycles, consistently applied daily.
Every bar leaving factories carries certified confidence and trust worldwide today, always.
Every bar leaving factories carries certified confidence and trust worldwide today, always. Science transforms Earth's minerals into timeless wealth through precision engineering processes worldwide.
Factories represent the bridge between nature and civilization, refining raw potential responsibly.
Every ounce is earned through complexity, care, and control inside gold refineries.
This factory process ensures trust remains solid worldwide for generations to come.
Pure gold emerges only through discipline and advanced engineering inside secure facilities.
From dust to brilliance, transformation is carefully controlled within factories' daily operations. Factories blend tradition with innovation to protect value for global economies today.
The process never shortcuts quality, safety, or responsibility within gold manufacturing plants.
Each bar represents countless decisions made correctly by female experts of diverse ages daily, worldwide, always. Thank you, a South Asian female, for witnessing the complete gold manufacturing process inside factories worldwide.
Subscribe for more realistic factory stories from inside Global Industries' weekly content.